If you've lost access to your Uber account and cannot receive verification codes, there are alternative methods to regain access. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the Uber login page. Go to the Uber app or website and click on the Sign In option. Enter your email address or phone number associated with your account. Step 2. Select Need Help. On the login page, look for the Need Help or Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the recovery process. Step 3. Choose Account Recovery Options. You will be presented with various recovery options. Since you cannot receive verification codes, select the option that allows you to verify your identity through email or by answering security questions. Step 4. Provide additional information. Fill out the required fields with as much information as possible. This may include your full name, the last trip you took, or payment information. This helps Uber verify your identity. Step 5. Contact Uber support. If the above steps do not work, reach out to Uber support directly. You can do this through the Apple website by selecting Help and then Account and Payment options. Explain your situation clearly and provide any necessary information they may need. By following these steps, you should be able to recover access to your Uber account. If you continue to face issues, persistent communication with Uber support may be necessary.